Officer, Supreme Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Gutierrez Jr. Eduardo C. Bayanihan Club member, Musiqueros and Glee Club member, Boy Scout of the Philippines member, Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree participant, Drum and Bar Corps member trio, Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Gutierrez Gerald B. Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Radio Broadcasting Filipino participant, Bayanihan Club Sport, Drum and Bar Corps member trio, Loyalty Awardee, Paddock Awardee, graduate. Mangane Rafael C. with honors, TAMSA Sports Fest 2026 Mobile Legend Bangkok participant, High School Children's Competition 2026 first runner-up, SLS and ICA1 Lieutenant Colonel Aston Intelligence Officer, Service Awardee, Musiqueros and Glee Club member, Bayanihan Club member, Supreme Loyalty Awardee, Paddock Awardee, graduate. Montenegro Ashley A. Musiqueros and Glee Club President, Loyalty Awardee, graduate.
Sel!
Pilon Enrico Gabriel C. with high honors, Private Schools Press Conference 2025 News Writing Filipino participant, Editorial Board member, News Head Writer, Most Dedicated Journalist Awardee, Sports Club Vice President, Red Cross Youth Council member, Bayanihan Club member, Supreme Loyalty Awardee, Paddock Awardee, graduate. Gregorio Lester D. Musiqueros and Glee Club Treasurer, Bayanihan Club member, Drum and Bar Corps member Cuadro, Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Sevilla Justin Mark M. with honors, Bayanihan Club member, Drum and Bar Corps member Snare, Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Sibat Ronald Ryan B. with honors, ABSAP Sports Week 2025 Secondary Football Boys Scouting Ball participant, Musiqueros and Glee Club Protocol Officer, Artist Circle Club member, Loyalty Awardee, Paddock Awardee, graduate. awardee graduate. Mala Shile Rian S. with highest honors. Private Schools Press Conference 2025 Author Reading and Headline Writing Filipino Participant, Editorial Board Member Graphic Designer, Editorial Board Member Layout Artist, Most Dedicated Journalist Awardee, Simotech Club President, Content Creatives Graphic Designer, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate.
Sel, dito.
Baisa Zamanta G with honors. Red Cross Youth Council member, Bayanihan Club member, Drum and Lyre Corps member flag, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. Beltran Lorraine Lizel A with honors. Vincentian Stage Actor Peace Officer, Bayanihan Club member, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. Buentamino Jersey Lorraine P with honors. Red Cross Youth Council member, Bayanihan Club member, Drum and Lyre Corps member flag, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. Kainditan Julian Lish with high honors. Editorial Executive Awardee, Division Schools Press Conference 2025 Science and Technology Writing Filipino Qualifier, Private Schools Press Conference 2025 Science and Technology Writing Filipino Tech Place, Editorial Board Member Editor-in-Chief, Editorial Board Member Layout Artist, Most Dedicated Journalist Awardee, Red Cross Youth Council member, Bayanihan Club member, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. Carvalho Godiva Saisa M with honors. Private Schools Press Conference 2025 Editorial Cartoonist English Participant, Editorial Board Member, Editorial Cartoonist Head, Editorial Board Member Graphic Designer, Most Dedicated Journalist Awardee, Boy Scout of the Philippines member, Artist Circle Club President, Vincentian Stage Actors, Content Creative Photographer, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. Celestina Eliza J.F. with high honors. APSAP Sports Meet 2025 Javelin Throw Participant, APSAP Sports Meet 2025 Discus Show Participant, SPSFI 1981 Lieutenant Colonel S. Adjutant Officer, Service Awardee, Red Cross Youth Council President, Sports Club member, Bayanihan Club member, Loyalty Awardee, Drum and Lyre Corps member flag, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. Garcia Clerk E with honors. Bayanihan Club member,
Yan, mga pinata ko yung dalawa.
Council member, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. Labay Marian Altea Celine A with honors. Simotech Law Public Information Officer, Bayanihan Club member, Drum and Lyre Corps member Mother Flock, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, Graduate. copy-reading and headline writing Filipino participant. Editorial Terlidas Rio Denise B. With honors. Private Schools Press Conference 2025 Editorial
Mag-picture
Writing
kami.
Filipino participant. Editorial Board Member. Editorial Writer Head. Most Dedicated Journalist Awardee. Red Cross Youth Council Secretary. Bayanihan Club Member. Sports Club Member. Dramatic Corps Member Wife. Loyalty Awardee. Conduct Awardee. Graduate. Thank you and congratulations. To present the awareness of Great 12 Fury, may I call on Ma'am Julie Rose B. Valerio.
The following are the students who excel and have rendered great wit and talent in terms of academics, sports, humanities, journalism, and performance arts. They have exemplified honor and excellence with their hallmarks of achievement section. With great honor, I present to you the awardees of Grade 12 TAPSA Sports Fest 2026 Mobile Legends Participant. Peer Facilitator Club Member. Graduate.